stopping it is even more dramatic. He pops a pair of 16-foot written slot parachutes, and during that time he can pull as much as he can with G's trying to stop this truck. See, getting it rolling is easy, but getting it stopped is the fun part. Big brakes, parachutes, and a little bit of luck. Fortunately here, he's got a lot of room. Now the smoke that you see generated, that is coming from the afterburners, and what you do to generate that is just not light the afterburners. Typical military aircraft, you have to be going full throttle to engage the afterburners, not so with this truck. He's engaging the afterburners right there, but he's not at full power. Believe me, you will know when he's at full power. Once again, I'm going to caution you about hearing